Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jake. What's yours?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from California.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a designer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
That's early. What do you do next?
I take a shower and eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. Do you?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. How about you?
I drive my car to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I love pizza.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read mystery novels.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you traveled to?
I have been to Japan.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your sister's name?
Her name is Emily.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
What do you usually buy?
I buy clothes and shoes.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
What do you post on Instagram?
I post travel pictures.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer
Why do you like summer?
because I can go to the beach.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love swimming.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I like green tea.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas
Why do you like Christmas?
because I spend time with family.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I like sandwiches.
What's your favorite drink?
I love orange juice.
Do you like working out?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What do you do for fun?
I hang out with friends.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I go there on Sundays.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I wake up late.
Do you like sunny or rainy days?
I like sunny days.
Do you like cooking new recipes?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
What's the last dish you made?
I made homemade pasta last night.
That sounds delicious. Was it easy?
It was easy, but took some time.
Do you prefer cooking or eating out?
I like both, depending on the mood.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love Italian restaurants.
Do you usually order dessert?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
Do you like morning or night better?
I like the night. It's peaceful.
What do you do at night?
I watch movies or read books.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I love comedy shows.
Do you watch Netflix?
Yes, I watch it every weekend.
What's your favorite Netflix show?
I love watching Stranger Things.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's very convenient.
What do you buy online?
Mostly clothes and gadgets.
Do you enjoy spending time with family?
Yes, I love family gatherings.
How often do you see your family?
Every weekend we have dinner together.
That's nice. Do you play board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing chess.
Do you like visiting new places?
Yes, I love exploring new cities.
What's a place you want to visit?
I want to visit Paris someday
Why Paris?
because I love its culture and food.
Would you travel alone or with friends?
I'd love to travel with friends.